Hemlock, the poison kind, not the non-poison tree. Hemlock was initially brought to the US from Europe because of its attractive flowers. People later learned that this is a highly toxic and deadly plant. Contact may cause skin reactions, and ingesting even a small amount can be fatal. There is no antidote for hemlock poisoning. Whenever possible, seek out the help of a licensed professional to control this weed. In this video, we'll go over how to identify poison hemlock, how to eliminate it from your property, and how to prevent its growth in the upcoming seasons. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Poison hemlock is a biennial plant, completing its life cycle in 2 growing seasons. When the plant is young in its first season of growth, it grows in a rosette arrangement with fern-like leaves. During its second season of growth, the plant will bolt and grow upright, growing 6 to 10 feet in height. The stem is hairless and covered in purple spots. When the plant matures, it produces white flowers in umbel shapes. Once the flowers produce seeds, the plant dies. It's important you properly identify this weed because it bears a striking resemblance to wild carrot, also known as Queen Anne's lace. Wild carrot also grows umbels of white flowers, but most of the time, wild carrot's umbels include a small, dark purple flower in its center. Also, wild carrot stems have hairs, whereas hemlock stems don't, and wild carrot stems do not have purple spots. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Poison hemlock's growing season ranges from spring to fall. They usually germinate in the spring or summer and grow to their rosette stages by fall before going dormant. When the second spring comes around, the plant bolts. It will bloom by late spring and produce seeds by late summer or early fall. After producing seeds, the plant dies. This weed thrives in shaded areas with moist and fertile soil. Common sites include but are not limited to yards, gardens, pastures, along roadsides, along fences, and in ditches. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE. We recommend full body coverage. Be sure to wear a long sleeve shirt, long pants, shoes, gloves, safety goggles, and a facial covering. Remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry completely. The best way to control a weed infestation that's already established on your property is to apply a post-emergent herbicide. Active ingredients like 2,4-D, glyphosate, or triclopyr are known to treat poison hemlock, but always look for a product that includes this weed on its label. In properties with cool season grass, we recommend 2,4-D Amine. The labeled application rate for spot treatments with this product is 1/4 of a pint of concentrate mixed into 3 gallons of water, or 1 1/3 fluid ounces of concentrate mixed into 1 gallon of water. We also recommend you add Nanotek Surfactant to your solution spray. Nanotek is a non-herbicide product designed to improve the adhesion and penetration of pesticides onto treated surfaces. When using Nanotek, just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. For a broad spectrum product that will kill hemlock growing anywhere, check out Eraser 41% glyphosate. Be aware that this product is a non-selective herbicide and will kill any plant it is applied to. Eraser is best used to control weeds growing in areas where plants shouldn't be, like along roadsides or in the cracks and crevices of pavement. This product's mix rate is 2.5 fluid ounces mixed into 1 gallon of water to treat up to 300 square feet. For spot applications, we recommend you mix and apply your herbicide with a handheld sprayer. When using a non-selective herbicide like Eraser, be sure to label your sprayer explicitly for non-selective herbicide use to prevent cross-contamination in the future. Spot treat any hemlock you've found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. A follow-up application may be necessary if signs of recovery are observed, especially if the plant's taproot is still alive. Reapplication intervals with 2,4-D Amine range from 21 to 30 days. A reapplication with Eraser may be made after 4 weeks. Applications are most effective when plants are newly emerged. Spraying hemlock while it's young and low to the ground is key to controlling this weed without your herbicide accidentally drifting to nearby plants. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. The best way to control hemlock is to monitor for further activity and treat plants immediately if they germinate. Should you choose to hand pull weeds, always wear full body coverage, especially disposable gloves. Additionally, one of the best ways to control any weed growing in lawns is to mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. A lawn dense with taller, trimmed grass is better able to choke out weeds and prevent them from establishment. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop poison hemlock from growing on your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.